Okay, let's go and get started on section 2, average acceleration. Thank you, Mo. Alright, so go ahead and read this. Same thing as yesterday, 10 seconds. Okay, what's the first piece of information they give?
The bus comes to a sudden stop.
Okay, so it came to a sudden stop, so we know it decelerates, right? What else?
It speeds up or it accelerates uniformly.
Uh-huh.
At 4.1 miles per second.
Meters per second. So that's our first piece of information, right? Accelerates at 4.1 meters per second. So I'm going to go ahead and write A equals 4.1 meters per second squared. No. Okay. Wait. Is this thing getting slower or faster?
It's negative.
Yeah, it's negative because it's getting slower, right? Very good. Negative. Alright, what other information did they give us? Okay, slows from 9 meters per second to 0 meters per second. Alright, so you know how normally initial is 0? You have to think about this real quick. What's the initial velocity here?
0.0.
What was that?
0.0.
Yeah, it's 9, right? Because that's the initial velocity. Very good. VO. Go to 9 meters per second. And if some people are like, oh, how do you know it's velocity? You see how it's meters per second, right? You can just look up here. Meters per second is velocity, okay? And then next we have, what else did they give us?
When it came to a full stop,
Okay.
0 meters per second.
And what's that? What variable is that?
VF.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Alright, now what are they asking for?
That's acceleration.
No, they're not asking for acceleration. They gave us acceleration, yeah. So time equals question mark. Okay, equation time. So we actually have 4 letters, right? And acceleration is in there. So can we use this? No, it's only 3 letters, right? And it doesn't have the acceleration included. So it's the front one. Which one of these 3 are we going to use? That, okay. That it is. So it's going to be V, F, it's this one. VF equals VO, or V naught, plus AT, X, okay? Which one are we trying to get by itself? T. Alright, so you know how you learned PEMDAS when you were younger? Okay. Uh-huh.
When you were in 5th grade, I was like, no.
Alright, so we got PEMDAS, right? When we try to find variables, you're actually going to go the opposite way. Okay? Because I see this issue a lot. Everyone wants to divide by A. You cannot divide by A. Okay? Don't write this down. I'm going to show you what happens if you divide by A. But everyone does.
Subtract? Because you said we're going backwards.
Yeah, hang on. Okay, this is what everyone wants to do. Okay, look what we actually get. VF over A is equal to V naught over A plus T. Okay? Alright? The other issue is sometimes they do it like this. And that's not wrong actually. But this is what happens. Then they're like, oh, they don't distribute the A. So they just write VO plus T. Okay? And that's incorrect. Alright, so I prefer you to do it this way because it's safer to go backwards from PEMDAS. Alright? So let's subtract first. Can we subtract anything from this side? Yeah, the VO, right? So it's VF minus VO, right? It's equal to AT. Okay, can we add anything? No, we want T by itself. Do we need to add anything?
No.
No, right? Can we divide by anything?
Yes.
Yeah, what are we going to divide by?
A.
A, okay. So I'm going to cross off these A's. Is T by itself? Alright, so now we just plug it in, okay? So VF, what's VF? 0 minus, what's VO? 9, very good, divided by A, what's A? Negative 4.1. And this should be negative and negative so that they become positive. Because time can't be negative. You can't go backwards in time, right? Okay, so let's go punch this. Oh yeah, this is equal to T. Alright, let's go ahead and punch that in the calculator. Yeah, you have my calculator, Mo? No, I got it. It's going to be a 2 point... I rounded it, so it's 2.20 seconds. Okay? Any questions? Let's see. Alright. Go and get started on number 7. Finish it before the end of the period. Submit it on Schoology.